This is Ella Howard, and in this short video I'd like to walk you through the process of importing a rubric from one class in Brightspace to another. So here I want to bring a rubric in from my Modern American History class into my Boston History class. So I'm going to click on Course Admin in the Destination class. So I'm starting in Boston History where I want this to go. And you choose Import, Export, Copy Elements. So we are copying components from another org unit, and now I'm going to search for the offering. So there's the class. Now I don't want all components, I just want select components. Now I can go in here and see what it is that I'm trying to take. You can scroll all the way down. There are some rubrics. I don't even want all the rubrics. I want just this one rubric. But you know what, for now, I think it might be easier to just take them all. Just bring me all 3 rubrics and I will deal with them later. So now we can click on Continue. Confirm components to copy. I would like to copy all items. Okay, so here we are. I'm in here. They have not, luckily they didn't just fall into this module or anything like that. But now when I go into Course Tools, now when I go into Course Admin, and I go into the Rubrics area under Assessment, I see that now in my Boston History class I have 4 rubrics. And one of them is the Humanities rubric that we were issued through the department for assessing our learning outcomes. But these other 3, the discussion, the midterm essay, and the final essay rubric, are ones that I have successfully imported from my Modern American History class. So now I can preview this to see how it came in, and it looks pretty good. It came in well. When you transfer rubrics in out of Blackboard, I tried some of that as well when I was originally setting up the classes. You should note that most of that can be done. But in Blackboard, the transfers, I noticed that the column headers were mangled. So there's always a need to, of course, take some time and factor in more time than you think when you transfer things in from another LMS for you to have time to go through and proofread and edit and make sure that things come in well. But when we're doing it here inside the same LMS, we really don't have those problems. So now I have the opportunity to tailor this however I need to for my current course.